Okay, we are going to find the higher derivative of equation. For example, we have example, find the second derivative of the equation y is equal to x squared plus x plus 1 squared. Okay, so we need to find the second derivative first. We have to find the first derivative. dy dx is equal to, using the general power formula, okay, so 2 times x squared plus x plus 1 n minus 1, okay, so raised to 1 times the derivative of the equation, so times 2x plus 1. So this is the dy dx. Okay, and then we are going to find the second derivative. So the second derivative of y over dx squared. Okay, so itong equation na to, we have u and v, so gamitan natin siya ng product rule. Okay, so derivative of u times v is equal to u dv plus v du. Okay, dx dx. Ayan. So sa equation na to, okay, simplify na lang natin to. So equal siya sa 2x squared plus 2x plus 2 times 2x plus 1. Ayan. So second derivative, we have u. Okay, we have u let natin u is 2x squared plus 2x plus 2. So ang du natin is 4x plus 2. Then we have v, 2x plus 1. Ang dv natin is 2. Okay, so substitute natin itong u, du, v, and dv dito sa formula natin. Okay, so second derivative, okay, so we have u na 2x squared plus 2x plus 2 times d dv na 2, okay, times 2 plus dito na natin sa baba, okay, plus v 2x plus 1 times du of 4x plus 2. So ganun lang siya. So second derivative of y over dx squared is equal to, simplify natin. Okay, we have 2x squared times 2, we have 4x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 2x times 4x is 8x squared. Okay, so 8x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 2. Okay, so combining like terms, so 4x squared plus 8x squared is 12x squared. 4x plus 4x plus 4x is 12x. 4 plus 2 is 6. So factor natin, the just common factor is 6. We have 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. This is the second derivative of the equation y is equal to x squared plus x plus 1 squared. Meron pa tayong ibang example dito. Okay, so we are going to find the third derivative of the equation y is equal to square root of 4 minus x squared. So titignan nito class, titignan yan, so equal yan sa y is equal to square root of 4 minus x squared, diba? Or y is equal to 4 minus x squared raised to 1/2. Okay, so meron tayong formula, diba? Pag ang meron tayong formula sa pagkuha ng derivative, when derivative of square root of u equal siya sa d over dx all over 2 times square root of u. Yan. So, dito sa given, we have u na equal sa 4 minus x squared. So, ang ating du is d over dx is ang derivative nito. Okay? Ang derivative nito is negative 2x. Okay? So, substitute natin siya dito. Formula na to. Ang derivative nito, okay? So, dy dx, okay, is equal to d over dx natin is negative 2x all over 2 square root of u. Okay, so simplify natin. Negative 2 over 2. Okay, so we have negative x all over square root of 4 minus x squared. So, ito is ang ating y prime pa lang or ang ating dy dx. Kasi ang hinahanap natin is third derivative. Okay? So, we are going to find its second derivative. Dahil may first derivative na tayo. So, papansinin nyo to class, no? We have to use quotient rule. Okay? So, in quotient rule, derivative of u over v dx, okay, is equal to v du minus u dv over v squared. So, magle-let tayo. We have u equal to negative x. So, ang du natin is negative 1. And then we have v square root of 4 minus x squared. Okay. So, ang dv natin, so, same siya dito sa form na ito. So, ang derivative natin is negative 2x all over 2 square root of 4 minus x squared, or equal yan sa negative x all over square root of 4 minus x squared. So, this is dv, v, du, and u. So, substitute natin siya dito, no, sa ating formula. Dahil first derivative na yan, itong una, so, ito is second derivative na, yung hanap natin. So, second derivative of y over dx squared or y double prime. Okay. So, equal to, ang v natin is square root of 4 minus x squared. 4 minus x squared times ang du natin, du is negative 1 times negative 1 minus u is negative x times dv na negative x over square root of 4 minus x squared. So, ayan. All over v squared. Okay, so square root of 4 minus x squared squared. Ayan. So, sisimplify natin, no? Sisimplify na natin. Dahil ito na yan, buray na natin ito. Buray na natin ito mas taas. Ay, nakuha na natin ito. So, iwan natin yung first derivative natin. Ayan. So, simplify natin itong ating second derivative. So, negative 1 times square root of 4 minus x squared is, so, y double prime or d squared y over dx squared is equal to negative 1, okay, negative times square root of 4 minus x squared, okay, minus negative x times negative x is positive x squared. So, x squared all over square root of 4 minus x squared. Okay? all over square root of 4 minus x squared raised to 2 is wala yung square root all over 4 minus x squared. Ayan. So, burahin na natin to. Ano na? Burahin na natin. And then, we are going to simplify this, no? So, titignan nyo to class. Gusto nating eliminate, no? Gusto nating simplify ito. So, multiply natin siya para ma-eliminate itong over square root of 4 minus x squared. So, multiply natin itong equation, no? Multiply natin siya ng square root of 4 minus x squared over square root of 4 minus x squared. Okay? So, ang lumabas dyan, ang makukuha natin dyan is, pag minultiply mo ito doon, so we have, mawala yung ating radical, no? So, yung square root. So, negative times 4 minus x squared, no? And pag multiply mo naman ito dito, so, mawawala itong nasa denominator kasi cancel out lang ito, no? So, natira is negative x squared all over ito. So, 4 minus x squared times square root of 4 minus x squared. Ayan. So, simplify natin yung nasa numerator. So, distribute natin yung negative. So, equal yan sa negative 4. So, positive x squared minus x squared all over itong 4 minus x squared, diba? Ito class, no? Ito is equal to 4 minus x squared raised to 1/2, diba? Raised to 1/2 yan, diba? If we have a raised to 1/2 multiplied by e, that is equal to, diba? Meron tong exponent na 1. So, kung nag-multiply tayo, ang ginagawa natin sa exponent is pinag-a-add natin. So, e raised to 1/2 plus 1, which is equal to e raised to 3 over 2. Diba? 1/2 plus 2 over 2 is e to the 3 over 2. So, same yung gagawin natin dito. We have 4 minus x squared multiplied by square root. Raised to 1/2 na natin. 4 minus x squared raised to 1/2. So, pag-add lang natin yung kanilang exponent. So, raised to 1 yan. Diba? 1 plus 1/2 is 3 over 2. So, 4 minus x squared raised to 3 over 2. Ayan. So, equal to sa 4 minus x squared raised to 3 over 2. So, simplify pa natin. So, we have y double prime or second derivative of y over dx squared is equal to negative 4 positive minus negative. So, ano na? All over 4 minus x squared raised to 3 over 2. Okay, so we have our second derivative. Okay, so para kunin natin yung ating third derivative, no? We have to find our third derivative. Okay, so ito, para mas simple, okay, pwede natin, kasi kung ito yung gagamitin natin, we can use quotient rule. Quotient rule. So, di ba? Sa previous lesson, we have 1 over u raised to negative 1/2 is equal to u raised to 1/2. Diba? So, pag nilagay natin siya sa numerator, so, magbabago yung kanyang sign. Okay? Nung exponent. So, that is equal also, okay, to negative 4 times 4 minus x squared, okay, raised to positive yan, lipat lang sa taas, so negative 3 over 2. So, ito yung ating second derivative. Ngayon, minanap natin is third derivative. So, kukunin natin yung ating third derivative. Okay? Third derivative or third derivative of y over dx cubed. Okay? Kung titignan nyo itong form na to, okay, kailangan natin gamitin yung ating general power formula. Okay? So, derivative of u to the n over dx is equal to n times u to the n minus 1 times du dx. Okay? Dito sa equation na to, ang u natin dyan is 4 minus x squared. Diba? And we have du is negative 2x. Ang n natin, ang n is negative 3 over 2. Okay? So, meron na tayong n, u, and du. Substitute na natin siya sa formula. So, para makuha yung derivative nito. So, meron tayong constant sa negative 4. Retain natin yan. Times d. N. Ang n natin is negative 3 over 2. Times u. 4 minus x squared. Times raised to the n minus 1. Diba? N minus 1 times du na negative 2x. Okay? So, simplify natin. Is equal to negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12 times negative 2 is negative 24 over 2 is negative 12x times 4 minus x squared. Okay? Negative 3 over 2 minus 1. Diba? So, negative 3 over 2 minus minus 2 over 2. So, negative plus negative 5 over 2. So, raised to negative 5 over 2. Wala kayong 2x. May negative 2x tayo dito. Okay, ito na yung equation natin. So, sabi ko kanina, if this negative exponent, so pag bilagay natin sa denominator, magiging positive siya. Okay, so equal siya sa negative 12x all over 4 minus x squared raised to 5 over 2. Or, ang 5 over 2 is equal to square root of 4 minus x squared raised to 5. Okay, so, or, lagyan natin dito, ang ating third derivative. Okay. Ang ating y triple prime or third derivative of y over dx cubed is equal to negative 12x all over square root of 4 minus x squared raised to 5. So, ito ang ating third derivative ng equation na y is equal to square root of 4 minus x squared.